Hello gardening folks, this is Muhammad Asif from New Zealand. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of hydroponics. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, setting up a hydroponic system is a rewarding way to grow your own food indoors. Depending on your requirements, I will explain how to build a hydroponic system in your backyard or any extra space. Now, some of you might be thinking, hydroponics? Sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. We'll break it down into 7 simple steps, making it a breeze to get started. I will show you what and how much to grow throughout the year without weather constraints or soil. Imagine fresh, homegrown veggies all year round, right at your fingertips. This video will walk you through everything from choosing the right equipment to setting up your grow space. By the end of this post, you'll be ready to start developing healthy plants without soil. So if you're ready to embark on this exciting journey of growing your own food indoors, stay tuned. All right, folks, let's kick things off with step number 1, choosing your hydroponic system. Now, there are many types of hydroponic systems available, each with its own pros and cons. You've got your deep water culture, nutrient film technique, drip system, and more. Don't worry, we'll cover these in detail in another video. The system you choose will depend on several factors, like the type of plants you want to grow, the space you have available, and of course, your budget. For beginners, I usually recommend starting with a simple deep water culture system. It's easy to set up and maintain, making it perfect for first-timers. Now, once you've decided on a system, you'll need to gather your materials. This might include things like grow trays, air pumps, air stones, water pumps, tubing, and a reservoir to hold your nutrient solution. Don't worry, I'll provide links to all the necessary equipment in the description box below. Remember folks, choosing the right hydroponic system is crucial for your gardening success. Take your time, do your research, and select the one that best suits your needs. And hey, if you're ever unsure, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you out. With your hydroponic system sorted, let's move on to step 2, selecting the right growing medium. Now, in hydroponics, we don't use soil. Instead, we use inert mediums that provide support and allow for proper air and water circulation around the roots. There are several popular growing mediums to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics. Some common options include coco coir, perlite, vermiculite, rock wool, and clay pebbles. Coco coir, derived from coconut husks, is an excellent choice for beginners. It's affordable, readily available, and retains moisture well. Perlite, on the other hand, is a lightweight porous material that improves drainage and aeration. Vermiculite, similar to perlite, also enhances drainage but holds more water. Rock wool, made from spun volcanic rock, is another popular choice, known for its excellent water-holding capacity. Lastly, we have clay pebbles, which are reusable, durable, and provide good support for larger plants. The best growing medium for you will depend on your specific plants and hydroponic system. For instance, if you're growing leafy greens, coco coir or perlite would be great choices. For larger plants like tomatoes or cucumbers, you might consider rock wool or clay pebbles. Remember folks, the key is to choose a growing medium that provides adequate support, drainage, and aeration for your plants to thrive. Now that we've got our growing medium sorted, let's move on to step 3, setting up your water irrigation system. This is the heart of your hydroponic system, ensuring your plants receive a constant supply of water and nutrients. First things first, you'll need a reservoir to hold your nutrient solution. This could be a simple plastic tub or a specialized hydroponic reservoir. Make sure it's large enough to accommodate your plant's needs and has a lid to prevent algae growth. Next, you'll need a water pump to circulate the nutrient solution from the reservoir to your plant's roots. Choose a pump that's appropriate for the size of your system and has adjustable flow rates. Now let's talk about tubing. You'll need tubing to connect your pump to the reservoir and to deliver the nutrient solution to your plants. Vinyl tubing is a popular choice, but make sure it's food grade to prevent any harmful chemicals from leaching into your plants. To distribute the nutrient solution evenly to your plants, you'll need to use drippers or sprayers. Drippers deliver a slow and steady drip of nutrient solution to each plant, while sprayers mist the roots with a fine spray. Finally, to automate your watering schedule, consider investing in a timer. This will ensure your plants are watered at regular intervals, even when you're not around. Alright folks, let's shed some light on the matter, literally. Step 4 is all about setting up your grow light system. Since we're growing indoors, we need to provide our plants with the right light spectrum and intensity for optimal growth. Now there are various types of grow lights available, each with its own pros and cons. You've got your fluorescent lights, HID lights, like metal halide and high-pressure sodium, and LED grow lights. For beginners, I usually recommend starting with fluorescent lights or LED grow lights. Fluorescent lights are affordable and energy efficient, while LED grow lights offer a wider light spectrum and have a longer lifespan. When setting up your grow lights, it's crucial to position them at the correct distance from your plants. Too close, and you risk burning your plants. Too far, and they won't receive enough light. A good rule of thumb is to start with the lights further away and gradually lower them as your plants grow. You can also use a light meter to measure the light intensity and adjust accordingly. Remember, folks, light is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy to fuel their growth. So make sure your plants are getting enough of it. Now that we've covered lighting, let's move on to step 5, providing your plants with the right nutrients. In hydroponics, we use a nutrient solution, a water-based solution containing all the essential minerals your plants need to thrive. There are two main types of hydroponic nutrients, synthetic and organic. Synthetic nutrients are readily available, affordable, and provide a precise balance of nutrients. Organic nutrients, on the other hand, are derived from natural sources and are considered more environmentally friendly. The type of nutrient solution you choose will depend on your personal preferences and the specific needs of your plants. It's essential to choose a nutrient solution specifically formulated for hydroponics, as regular fertilizers can clog your system and harm your plants. When mixing your nutrient solution, always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Over-fertilizing can be just as harmful as under-fertilizing. To monitor the nutrient levels in your solution, you'll need a pH meter and an EC meter. The pH meter measures the acidity or alkalinity of your solution, while the EC meter measures the electrical conductivity, which indicates the concentration of dissolved salts or nutrients. Maintaining the correct pH and EC levels is crucial for nutrient uptake and overall plant health. With your nutrient solution ready, let's move on to step 6, propagation. This is the process of starting new plants from seeds or cuttings. In hydroponics, we can propagate plants directly in our system, eliminating the need for soil-based seedlings. If you're starting from seeds, you can sow them directly into your chosen growing medium. Keep the medium consistently moist and provide adequate humidity until the seeds germinate. For cuttings, take a healthy cutting from a mother plant and remove the lower leaves. Dip the cut end in rooting hormone, which is optional, and place it in your growing medium. Provide your cuttings with high humidity and indirect light until they develop roots. Once your seedlings or cuttings have established a healthy root system, you can transplant them into your main hydroponic system. And finally, folks, the moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting. Step 7 is all about reaping the rewards of your hard work. Hydroponics allows for faster plant growth and higher yields compared to traditional soil gardening, so you'll be harvesting delicious homegrown produce in no time. To ensure a bountiful harvest, it's essential to use the right tools and techniques. Invest in a good pair of pruning shears or scissors to harvest your crops cleanly without damaging the plants. For larger fruits like tomatoes or melons, you might need a sharp knife or a pair of harvesting shears. When harvesting leafy greens, cut the outer leaves first, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. And remember, folks, the best time to harvest your produce is in the morning when the plants are fully hydrated. So there you have it, folks. 7 easy steps to get you started on your hydroponic gardening journey. I hope this video has inspired you to try this rewarding and sustainable way of growing your own food. Remember, folks, hydroponics is all about experimentation and learning as you go. Don't be afraid to try new things, make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Happy growing. Email services.nz